Hi everyone, this video is for Edu Unboxing Official. So this is our sample room. We have hundreds of products here. We have hair clippers, hair trimmers, hair dryer, and so on. Door is our certifications. We have many certificates for different country. So here it's our live streaming price.
Hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, we're gonna talk about our new hair clipper from VGR. And this is VGR V685. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. And first of all, I want to thank VGR for taking their time showing us their sample room, full of clippers, trimmers, whatever, all the machines they got, I want to thank VGR for that, So now let's talk about this clipper, So this clipper got 2500 milliamp battery with 3 hours charging time and 300 minutes operating time, So let's open this bad boy and see what really they got inside for us, So as you can see, the package looks like this, and it's a very new hair clipper from VGR, It's on AliExpress, so I will leave a link on the description below in case if you wanna buy this clipper, Let's open it up, man. Little brush with VGR logo on it, charging cable, and we got 4 guards, a comb, and the manual. So this is the clipper. It's a transparent clipper, charging port, power button, on and off switch, the lever, it's a metal lever, and you got a fade blade, and the range. See that? And this is VGR V685. So that's it. So let's turn it on. Lever closed, then it's more faster. You hear that? So let's make an RPM test.
It's not a game, it's a not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.